Illegal Somalian foreigners marched to a police station in Tshwane to demand respect. They also demand that the police must stop checking if they have proper documents to be in South Africa. Imagine.
Nokufeint yeah
nokufeint. Doctor phela God. That's the guy ngisesiphakathini.
Abanye allegedly bathi they died through vaccine. Is it true?
Yes. And then abanye like in fact lento le yamangaza indaba zayo because kunamanye ama video ngiwabonile through TikTok nama YouTube. Umuntu athadla ibhola awe athi yokhava ibhola vela agijima afika awe. Hey.
Ongitshele wena ngoba kunama gynecologist wena oyiphi wena?
Mina bengile bathini na. Engilete tisayo bayibizani konje. Ilebalogist.
School lento the way ngizwa ngakhona ne lo mjida uthi ucela ithuba lokuthi aze bafike la undocumented ane bathengise lezi zinto zabo ezifake ba manufacture lezi zinto zabo ezifake so that bazokhona ukuthola amaphepha.
Kusho khona ngithi bajwayele phela into bayijwayele laba kusi bathini ukhipha 1000 ukuze ahlale la kusinto akusisimanga kuye into ayenza each and every day. Ba driver utathi akunakule line license akunamuntu ongaphaki kuna license uthi ba driver ngani ba driver ngama 50 rand. So bajwayele ukunyoba. Yeah. Mentate.
Ufuna ukuqala
Ngomelani. Bazo phakathi abantu basemhlabeni yakwazi kumhlabeni lingani. Igiyana yenza next lapha ngisho neMozambique imbala. So
bathi kwamhlaba lengana ayikho into
usachubeka
indleki bien.
Hayi le ntambo lencane ke. Ungazothi ngwe. Beka mina yami nginokhala kamnandi.
Mina angihlali kamnandi.
Uyathanda ukuba iyaleni ngikutshela ngithumela ube kufana nalento le ukuze ngimanye ukukhatha
ube. Angithi ngizama ukwenza intambo ibe
njani?
Nde.
Nukuthi wena ufuna ukukhala so. Urelaxa kanjani semsebenzini? Niyarelaxa nemsebenzini.
Uhleli kamnandi.
Anyabuza kesibuza ukuthi niyarelaxa nemsebenzini. Ufuna ukurelax.
No. I mean lokho kurelaxa lo.
Yeah.
Ngisho nje ukuhlala ngibe comfortable yabo.
Phela ukurelaxa lokho mase.
So Echo.
Khuluma nge-echo, echo.
Mkhize,
Mkhize.
Mkhize.
Washibona.
Wacha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So rikwendlekala yini?
Awu.
Hey mara phela ngisakhuluma nge-echo mina uyazi.
Mara mina ngikuza ugrand.
Kusho nje
Mm.
uri maybe ngibhayisisa ile dayede.
Yini?
Ukuthi angithi ngifake phezu kwe-cotton.
Yeah, mhlawumbe.
Iyavuma or
So mhlawumbe iya-block-eke yabo.
yini eblock kayi?
I-voice ayifiki kahle le i-block-a yi-hoodie.
Ihood or ihood le.
Yathi i-hoodie.
Ngiyabuza mina nawe uyangibuza. Ayi amarina niphila ngenye indlela man. Serious niphila ngenye indlela emangazayo. Ngiyakubuza nawe uyangibuza.
Angithi mhlambe kunama-hood kunamajezi akwazi bani.
Yeah.
Mina ngazi ukuthi mhlawumbe ijezi
Awuphendule le mark yakho.
ngiphendule.
Uthathe le side lelo lisa ngapha yabona.
Ngithi namhlanje ngangilise ngapha ngangikho ngapha, that's why.
Manje ngeke yenze.
Hallelujah.
Yenze kanje lento simple kanti wengayini egama.
Kanjani?
Ubekele.
La.
Washibona.
Wathwa. Washibona
Oh.
leshi. Wathwa.
Yeah.
Washibona leshi.
Uthi
Wathwa.
khuluma manga.
Oh, bengisase kuhoodie.
Hayi.
Ukuthi akusamanga ngikhumbulile ukuthi besikuphi. Hawo.
Hey, Feria, bafethu. Welcome back bafethu. Njengomgogodla, we are back bafethu. Just like not your father, we are back. We are here bafethu. Yazi bafethu, this is your host bafethu. Ki ayena kana la madi ya monna mosepedi khaitse mapula na masa khaitse piski na boy. Ke mo kale pheko se se go nka se ke shake nna ke ngwana tše khala ka mo dina matepe sa mtšea ke ke mo ramphela le makga go scroll sa maitse le magale a je ke marapa tshukuja ka pio ka piketi ya ke tšhaba ditikno ba ke compana ko.
Bayasho ukuthi these days hayi akasese conduct ubafu
Yeah.
ukuthi hayi ukukhuluma ngama-sign language
Oh.
uyabehave. Baba kweri
Ubani?
inzamba
Ubani okhuluma ngama-sign language?
angisho dala bengi
Usho wena. La usho wena.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Mama kweri inzamba mayimbala ndzumba sidzuvani manyika imbita xava kuphama sidzuvani mandraka xona. Baba kweri this is your boy matiming indoda oyibiza namhla ifike kusasa umalimi indima angacedi hayi
Abasho. Umalimi indaba bafethu, umalimi indima bafethu, wohwane bafethu. Imwana yala podcast bafethu. Yazi bafethu, welcome back to another episode of Facts and Laughs bafethu. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. You can do whatever you want with the video bafethu. It's yours. We are doing this for you bafethu. Fero to kambani my timing. How was your weekend? Your wiki.
Nyamosha mina.
Uyisi phone futhi. Ay. Cricket is one.
Right.
Oh.
I had a normal week.
Oh.
Normal me.
Normally you.
Yes, normal me going to the result, coming back.
Normal.
Nothing much. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, and it is nothing. There's something new I'm learning every day, but but there's nothing to announce ukuthi ya ilanga lami it was nice ngekuphi it's just normal nje, nothing to say yabo. Si i normal routine eyenzakala empilweni yami yabona. There's nothing new ukuthi mhlambe ngiye not ngiye Joburg or ngiye Randburg or ngiye eLanzera or ngiye kuphi. There's nothing different yabona.
True. Nala studio. Nase sontweni.
Yes yabona.
Ngeke kuze bathu semjolweni. Ngeke kuze bathu sibona uhlamakhisa abantu bami.
Yabona. Mina I'm just a
honest,
I'm just a no, I'm just guys ngilihlebele mina ngizibambile
wena
ya ngizibambele i21st yami ngisaseyitshitshi ngifuna fa ngenzele
manje ngebhati ngeke uyibone le ngeke usithole wena ngiyakutshela mina ngithi akunasikhiwo sithola
mina ngani
ama 2000 ayizela peak here ngoba bazivula before
guys. Mina ngizibambile ngisaseyitshitshi angijoli angifebafebi ngoba vela angijoli like ngiyimi just normal me going to the rehearsals ezashilo ngibuye ngize khona la e-studio mangekho e-studio naserima rehearsal ngisosontweni yabona. Guys, just be like me, uzibambe nawo uzozichenya ngiyakutshela.
Usiphethelene sibani?
Heard.
Awusake encourage abantwana babantu awusake otherwise there's yazi ngiphethe yilentuzana i-flu, so I think ukuthi ile hunter virus
awona ngitshelile ngathi uyigwala.
Dino kuna le disease bathi hunter virus engene no
ngizobakhuluma ngayo
angazi bathi ukuthi ingenile but le story lesithi they bekuna leskepe lesi esisuka it's UK.
Angazi nona mkhokhe ukuthi bathe sisuka
UK yangithola
singazi la siya kuphukuphi.
Yebo but le disease le ifike yabathola endleleni yangithola
balethe South Africa
ngoba baseduze mababathola mayibathola le disease bebaseduze nase South Africa yabona, so babalethe South Africa. So le disease le the way ngithusa ngakhona mangiyibona bathi hunter virus ikhosa ifever, i-coughness, ukuhlanza nelentuzana konje bathi in ifever, ukukhohlela nokulentuzana ngishona futhi enye nokuhlanza yeah nani futhi enye hayi sikhona nokuhlinza I'm forgetting ligama lelo bostri ukuthi nani enye so yeah nokufeinta nokufeinta yeah nokufeinta
ngi doctor phela God just ngayeka ngisesiphakathini ngiyakutshela
wayeka kanjani sikhulu
angithi ngibonile ukuthi kuba i-doctor kusiphishinami le ngathi afok
yayeka lento le
kusebenzile lezo zambizi ngithungana nabantu bathungana lempahla mina kumele ngithunga abantu.
Guys, can we please pause a bit? We will come back to hunter virus. Where malo wayeka kanjani esiphakathini kanjani
angithi
ufundile uqedile wena udoctor ngiphelele
ngithema ngicithe matric ngithi nga-apply bangithatha
Sure.
ngafunda 1 year le course bekuyi 7 years
Yes,
ngafunda
yes,
1 year 3 months after 1 year 3 months ngazibona ukuthi ngazithola
wazi yonke wena wazibona ukuthi wazi yonke wena
ngazithola ukuthi mina passion yami nayo lento enyenza lapha with waste of time ngaquita ngadropa off ngaqala i-mid
Oh, I thought ukuthi wena bakupha ama basics ucabanga ukuthi wena wazi uchwepheshe wena.
hayi ngitrope out mara
So,
ngakulapha
esiphakathini
1
year 3 months esiphakathini
ufuna ukuthi ikota thayo wow ngifundile lapho kenza ukuthi ukuba idoctor ufunda uyafunda lapha ngifundile
so angitshele wena ngoba kunama gynecologist wena oyiphi wena
mina bengile bathini na ngilete tisayo bayibizani konje i-labologist
school
ini ke
school angenzanga sayenza esikoleni kodwa cha ngeke
bayibizani ke
ngiyayikhohlwa but igama lakhona manje linamosayo wadwa
nami ngikhohle kubalibizile silenini
nginamasayo wadwa ufuna ukuyobhebhisa noma ufuna ukuyobhebhisa ufuna ukwenza njani
ngiyobhebhisa ngithi vele
boyobhebhisa
ngoba kumele ukuthi ngiyobhebhisa
ngiyakuzwa sikhulu nemuzwa ka ufuna manifuna ukubhebhiswa ufundile uwafo lana angazonibhebhisa kanti hello
Mike ayazi ro
nilekushuteni nilekushuteni yabona manje sebazokurevelela indaba zasendlini la ku-podcast
angithawufuni kubeka ku-mike
no
hawu beka ukuthoyi bokhuluma
bezwakala
le disease yakho
back to that disease i-hantavirus bathi partisan fever ukukhofa like mangizwa lento le bese ngithukile ngithi vele seyifikile vele sengiphethe nami yabona ngoba vele sekunama vaccine
wama flu
uyayibona
ungavaccinanga wena ngoba uyazazi weak akekho umuntu weak njengawe la
hayi vaccine asikhulu do you think le vaccine ayinama side effects or ama disadvantage
inawo ama side effect the time the time bathi angithi the time baqede kuyikhaba bebasho ukuthi abantu abadala abaningi bagula umuntu sesamagula isikhathi eside maqede kuyikhaba abantu abadala nabo abanye bagula after isikhathi eside after kuhlaba
i-vaccine
corona beyinawo ama side effect
so abanye allegedly bathi they died through vaccine. Is it true?
Yes. And then abanye like mfethu lento le yamangaza indaba zayo because kunamanye ama video ngwabonile through TikTok nama YouTube umuntu athanga ibhola awe athi yokhava ibhola vela agijima afika awe phansi umuntu athafunda incwadi kanje sakhuluma vela athi phansi because of vaccine.
So is it because they are allergic to some chemicals akuba kule vaccine leya or I vaccine yona nhlobo ayibafuni?
I think angithi vele eze singabantu asifana igazi lethu nyeke ivume into kufana kunabanye abantu igazi labo lo weak
oh khoma Okay.
Tell. So my week ngithola ukuthi kunamanye vele kunezinye izinto lapha kubathini. Kuvaccine ayibaphathi kahle emzimbeni wamaikosha nemizimba namasolo amasotsha omzimba awasakwazi ukufighta kahle. Asayi ukuthi uthatha isikhathi ukuthi ube grand after ukuhlaba.
So you know mang calculator lento le mngani wami.
Calculate.
No mangi thatha ngifake ekhanda lama ne ngithi ngidlela amathambo engcono.
Yeah.
Uyayibona. Kuqale kwaza ivaccine ye-flu. Ngicela ungizwe kahle baba.
Hunting lale.
Yeah, ngicela ungizwe kahle. Kuqale kwangena ivaccine ye-flu.
Yeah.
Ane manje kwiqiqiqi kuvela ini i-hunter virus. I-hunter virus maye kubamba ikubamba ngani iphatha yini i-flu, fever, flu.
Oh, kune different between the flu ne fever.
Kune different. Oh,
ne bathini konje mtsikela ke so yo I forgot. Etia. Akusi flu le.
Timul. Yeah, akusi flu lena. Okay, uphatha i-fever, i-flu, uyahlanza, uyawa. Ane? Don't you think indlela yokuletha le disease?
Ukuletha kanjani? Ngoba already sibayilethile ngale gap. Kusho ukuthi Sela, wala sothi.
Awa.
Hawu labantu sebala. Lento lempethu labantu bayenza ngamabomba bayazi lento bayenza. Iyafana lokuthi iChina iyathi itshele South Africa ukuthi kunesifo bathi corona. Abavalana amabhodo or amaphosa angangeni nangavala amabhodo. Abantu batravel bayilanda corona baza nayo ngapha.
Oh, bizongithusile phela ukuthi ngathi le corona izengathi tsunami.
Shothi. Ukumela ivalele ngamabhodo. Shothi benyeke iziguna lapha emabhodo ngabavalile.
Ezinye izinto batatawa. And le hunter virus yazinjani into ukuthi ngeke uyibalekele. Yangithola ikhoswa amagundwane.
Yeah.
So amagundwane ngeke wabalekele noma
manje
they find a way.
Into engifuna ukuunderstand ukuthi ikhosa amagundwane abuyapi lamagundwane baze ngale gap because kudala sinamagundwane la elokushini bayanganayo le virus.
Yeah, uyabona ke ilapho le trick.
Hayi ukuthi ngiyakhulumela amagundwane.
No, yazi ngithini uze kahle wena bafowena. And unless ke le virus le ingazwa through labantu laba bakule skepe lesiya. But but lento le virus ngaphelela lapha eskepeni lapha ya ngoba ize ngamagundwane amagundwane okuphi wangale eUK lapha.
So ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi lamagundwane nawo aza ngeskepe.
Aseskepeni ovela sangithi lento le babambe eskepeni while basa travela ngeskepe sabo.
So lamagundwane aseskepeni nawo ya travel.
Yeah.
Bayenzeni uma ufika la South Africa lamagundwane bawoyekile ahamba ye cabanga Alexander.
Akada marange kalunga azofika lawa angaka.
Manje
ngeke kalunga so
angithi azofika amancane lawa angaka nje lawa amancane bese abamba uthini
hunter virus.
Hunt. Hunt. Yeah, basikhanyela labantu.
Izwa. Hunter's gold.
Yeah.
Hunter virus.
Hey, corona yepi. Yabo uthi lento emabe izakotshwala lento lezi. Khona manje Hunter's gold, Hunter's strand ngazayiphuzi neza bathi ne virus.
Ne corona.
bahlulekile sebephuze kudala ubona abantu ophuza icorona bekho right wena ne-covid
Yeah. I-Hunter's Gold, i-Hunter, none.
hunter ingenaphi manje ngoba i-hunter leya i-hunter akusiyi-hunter
No, le Hunter's Gold, Hunter's Gold.
oh hunter
Oh, Hunter's Gold. Oh,
hunters gold hunters dry
Hunter's Gold. Bangasaziphuzi.
bakasasiphuzi
Oh, angithi mina phela ngizazi lezi zinto angiphuzi phela.
wena
Eh.
ngiyabuza kanti
Wathi wena ngiphila nawe imo. Wathi wena ngiphila nawe la ngiyaphuza.
24 hours
No, manga.
uyabona hawu umuntu ngeke ngomfebe kungafika amaphoyisa la kubamba bathi izolo jontshile kuphi mina ngithi awutshentsanga angikho sure ngingekho nawo mawulele I mean mina mangilele wena ungekho sure ukuthi ulele or wenzani wayibona fana nasinini sikubonisa ile video yakho labathi bayakufuna bese ngikho nawo
No, leya bekuyi yilentuzana ngayibeka kanjani?
hayi asiphumi
Kunalento bathi AI uyabona.
hayi
AI siganga kakhulu these
ale
days.
yakusi AI leya qinisa angisendele mina la bathu kunedayedeng Olakhani
Angitshontshe mina bafethu.
wathi legal siphumile ku-hunters ne cedile
Yeah, guys, just be
careful.
alert, be
Be
careful
alert.
ukuthi there's hunter virus.
athiza ngamagundwane
Yebo, so valani iminyango, valani amafastera. Valani imimbobo.
khona balani bathi lana illegal Somalian hunter virus illegal Somalian foreigners marched to a police station in Tshwane to demand respect. They also demand that the police must stop checking if they have proper documents to be in South Africa. Imagine.
When we say we are facing two challenges, we cannot manage handling strike and abusement of law enforcement. We are getting tired now, to be honest. Any law enforcement, let's say police officer, he can come to our shop. He don't treat us as a human being. I don't know. Sometimes I used to ask myself, why these days as if like we don't deserve respect from police officers? Why? What is happening? Are we doing wrong thing? So, when I call your name, Brigadier, please, can you just give for these people at least some chance, not even permanent change? If you see now around, if you go with your car, you can't see shop open. They are scared. They are scared. Like, meaning to say, that does not mean that police officers or law enforcement, they mustn't come to our business. No. The way they are coming, they are not coming according to law. We agree, a police officer, he should come, is more than welcome. Even when we see around our business, we feel safe. They are not coming according to law. They can just come, ask, open. I know. Even if we try to ask him, who are you, how do you come, I can open before. You know, they will decide to break. About paper, you are mentioning, we must have a paper. We want to be documented. We want to have trading license as well. About paper, if you want me, last time I told them that I was supposed to ask this question, immigration officer. You know why I say so? Like, let's say I can go to the Maraba, start saying that, no, I'm here, I want to have a paper, can you help me? Are not willing to help us. But they are arresting us, whereas they know that they are not willing to give us paper. It is not our fault. It is not. We want to have paper, proper paper. Yeah. Police officer, he can come, he want to do all in one at the same time. He want to do SARS job, he want to do metro job, he want to do immigration job, he want to do everything at the same time. We cannot have all those things at the same time. I rather have some thousands of money to give. You know, sorry, but I'm being emotional, so I hope you allow me to say whatever I have to say. So what I wanted to say, Now, at least deliver a message for your colleagues. They mustn't abuse us. Not meaning to say they mustn't do their job. They must do. Not in that way, abusing and beating up and telling us something, taking our stuff. Let me ask one question. Police station, have you ever seen any cigarette that which they collect from the shop and in police station? Have you ever seen? Where are they taking? Nothing. Okay. We used to have a slip, like when we buy a cigarette, obviously we buy with a slip. We try to show them the slip. Here we buy. Can I take you where I bought? Wholesaler, British Cotley and Stevenson. Can I call or can you call and confirm? Here is a receipt. Can you? They don't even give us chance. They just take that cigarette. When we go to the police station, no, they took my cigarette. Here is the slip. Have you ever received my stock here? No. Where is it going? So what I say, please, 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 I'm begging you on behalf of these people. We need rest and relief. I thank you.
I thank you. Ivan, what you wanna come?
No, not ukuthi ngiba homophobic
Yeah.
noma angibathanda abafethu bangaphandle,
Yeah.
kodwa cha, ngiyamuzwa uBafo uyakhala. Ezinye ikhalo zakhe kunephuzu phakathi.
Yeah.
Ezinye ikhalo zakhe uyazibhedela nje.
Yeah.
Hayi angangithathi kabi uBafo into efunakalayo lawo amaphoyisa. I think mina esayidini lama ngithi kunalento le bathi ukucoshiwa bonke abantu bangaphandle aba-undocumented. So uBafo into ayikhalela yena ukuthi maka undocumented akhona ukukhipha leyo 1000 leyo abaphi.
Usho njalo kahle kahle la. Uthi kampani akhiphe imali.
Mangiyizwa uthi kahle kahle kampani akhiphe imali
Kunokuthi iphoyisa libe iphoyisa, libe i-home affairs, libe i-law migrant, libe i-SARS watwate ngesikhathi esiwani. Usho kanjalo complain ngalento leya ngithi ikampani enabhadala 1000 kunokuthi iphoyisa lizoba into eyi-1 kuwe lingambonisi i-respect or
respect. How so? Okay, yena by giving that person 8,000 rand ukushow i-respect kuye.
kusho khona ngithi bajwayele phela into bayijwayele laba kusibathini ukhipha 1000 ukuze ahlale la akusinto akusisimanga kuye into ayenza each and every day. Ba driver utata akunakulela ne license akunamuntu ongaphansi kwena license uthi ba driver ngani ba driver ngama 50 rand. So bajwayele ukunyoba.
Oh hey.
Yeah.
Isixhosa naso ye. Yeah, hey. Yeah, but lento ayishoyo uBafo ay mina angihambisani nayo. Kahle that's why kahle bona sebayabusa ngapha. That's why bathole nalesibindi lesi sokukidnapa uLentuzana uMazi.
Babona ngathi banama rights eSouth Africa makule bayakhohlwa ukuthi ilaw eSouth Africa ithi mawi foreign ozovula ibhizinisi you are not allowed ukuthi uvule business unless if your business contribute 5 million per month in our government. That's the law.
Yeah.
And it's not only South African law, it's everywhere. This law everywhere this war. Anyeke wona usuke manje uyohlala
not all my guy.
World.
Yes.
Hey.
Yes.
This law.
Okay. Yeah.
Hey. So bona bayakubabona ngathi nje ukuhlala lana bavula iphaza labo basithengisela into ze fake babona ngathi into right abayenzayo.
Uyabona kahle into ayishoyo lo mjida lo uthi yena ucela ithi ngiyibeka nje lento the way ngiyizwa ngakhona ne lo mjida uthi ucela ithuba lokuthi aze bafike la undocumented ane bathengise lezi zinto zabo ezifake ba manufacture lezi zinto zabo ezifake so that bazokhona ukuthola amaphepha.
Maybe usho njalo mara ngizwa
into engathi ngimuzwa ashoyo
Mario uthola kanjani amaphepha because amaphepha kumele uqale wayenze country yakho before ufika ngapha.
imali.
So ufuna uqala yenza imali entena ekhaya. Uyabona ngaba bayenza kanjalo labantu. Ngaba yonke lento le ayikho because ngaba bonke ba documented.
Ufuna ukuqala
Ngomelani.
Yeah, hey. Uzibonela usulethisa.
Sekhuluma umuntu yangba. Hayi.
Yeah, hey. Into abafuna ukuyenza la ukuthi basibulale cala
Bese bahamba
bayenza
ama document babuye babuse ngoba bazoba sibulela.
Hayi wena uyithatha ngaleyo ndlela le mina into engisho. Mina ngikho against
Hayi mina ngagainst bona. Basithatha isibini sokuthi bona ba strike epolice station. Malo amakula nesibini. Umuntu ongekho documented uyahamba la documentary uyahamba la
documented.
Uyahamba. Police station ayithetho. Waba ngamophi first of all for ukuthi akana maphepha.
Yabona
lezi zinto zokukhuluma zokudinga respect zokudinga yini bambophe ukuthi akana maphepha
eyavala video
Tshwane Pretoria
Tshwane Pretoria. Here's an advice from my timing. Indoda ibiza namhla ifike kusasa.
Yeah,
if they strike again, please
arrest them.
No, base ngala magumba lawa. Lawa maningi lawa. Babafaki. Babashiyele emagate waseka makibo le. Bazozibona.
Kuyazi iTube ukuthi kukuphi wena.
No, angithi kuzoba ne operation to do le special.
Laba beyiTube kumele babenzele plan na angazi bazohamba ngayo.
Noma babathatha nge flight.
Kumele babize abantu besele impopo babadonate lemishanyelo. Hayiwa. Ngeke seshaya ibudget engaka ama flight angaka azosuka la engale. Lapha emishanyelweni bayigibela bayi 55.
Yazi singaba imbumba. Yabona masingaba imbumba ne?
Yeah.
Singayenza right. Yazi wayingisho kanje.
Speak through the mic.
Uyazi wayingisho kanje?
Yeah.
Ukuthi masingathola ama before sico yini manje?
Khuluma
manje. Masingathola abafuthi bethu labangaphandle labo kuthengisa imshanyelo.
Hayi.
Izwa ngilalele before nibacosha. Nicovele mica angithi mama nibacosha kuzosala le mishanyelo leya. Le mishanyelo leya ceda nibiza abantu baseLimpopo.
Kanti ucamuthele nemthanyelo esikhuluma ngayo le mthanyelo leya bomngane. Akusiyo kunenye imthanyelo special eseLimpopo. Hawu. Kamukuthi le mthanyelo eseJoburg 50 rand.
Ilenja.
Ama-Ferrari lawa BM ayahluka BM Ferrari Volkswagen GTI.
So okay, so abayikhandi through leyo mshanyelo leya. Kube mina bengithi mhlambe
Kunomunye umthanyelo wabo ngithina ngitshela.
Oh.
Silo.
Oy ayi. Uzazela.
Wena wabona ama-video la efonini la. Ngiyami ngithole ukugugula ngithina la sithuthi ngithole into ukugugula. Ngiyami ngithole ukugugula. Ngafa.
Oh, kukhuluma thakathana.
Oh.
Aw.
Ukugula yikho into engekho mos. Washo wena last week. Wathi bhala umuntu.
Kunale competition le yasemhlaba yalengane KZN. Ecava le ukuthi competition uyafika uyaperforma la. Then kune first prize, second prize, third prize.
Yeah.
The first prize wina ibhabhuni.
Hayi ke lamajoke abantu. Sokusuka abantu bani konje le msi.
Yeah, angithi ngizwe
Bo.
I mean, it's not mine then.
Okay.
Ngizwe bathi lenzuzana.
Bazo phakathi abantu basemhlaba. Yakwazi emhlaba elingani. Igiyana yenza next lapha ngisho neMozambique imbala. So.
Bathi kwamhlaba lengana ayikho into.
Usachubeka.
Indleki.
Wena uzwa.
Sisakhuluma ngelentuzana ngestrike samakula.
Yeah.
La baba yazi mina ayangimangaza lamaphoyisa. Okay, ngizoza ngokulokumangaza lokho. Sakhuluma ngestrike. Sisakhuluma ngestrike samakula. Ikuna le strike did you hear ukuthi thithe lentuzana inqa isivele high school it's secondary be
Kude kwenzakalana ngale mic yakho sibani.
I don't know.
Wathi inqa isivele high school. Asethembisa.
Yeah.
Wabonga ngabe kanje la mic la
Angithi
lo.
ungibekise la mina ngifuna ukuyindlulisa ngibekisa la obani ungilungise le mic. Obani ungilungise le mic.
Bathi inqa isivele yenzani? Yajive.
No.
Oh.
Yeah, strike.
Oh.
Baby striker through kunomunye umntwana wasinqa isivele oshonile. Amthola. So abantwana besikolo they were wanting justice for Lithabo.
Ngibonile justice for Lithabo but benganasitheni ukuthi kwenzakalani.
Oh yeah. Yeah, so bebafuna justice for Lithabo umntwana omncane bamthole azishonele. Yangithola estradini bamthole estradini nje ashona.
Ayishonele.
Yeah, bashonile. So abantwana besikolo bahambile baya strike abafuna justice ba strike police station bafuna justice. So mabafika police station amaphoyisa ukuthi babancede babalekelele ngoba abantwana besikolo bafuna protection izinto kanjalo bafuna impendulo bona babashaya ngama tear gas ngama rubber bullet.
Bashaya abantwana besikolo ngama tear gas.
Yes, and allegedly so.
Yenzeke nini June 16? Oh, asikafiki June, sorry. Mara ngithi sey ba practice June 16 before ingakafiki. Mawuhlakaniphile ungabhala ngayo lento enzeke inqa isivele through June 16.
Yeah, but abantwana balolimpilo abantwana.
Angithi nginangeapartheid balwela i-education amaphoyisa abashaya ngama-tear abadukula. So nalabantwana laba balwela i-justice ayeka Lethabo bafuna i-protection kumaphoyisa amaphoyisa abadukula. Futhi West Party nizoba laba lana is black on black.
Yeah, so you okay ngiyakuthola
khuluma uthathile.
ngiyakuthola bengikuphi angithi ngisaprocessa le story sakho
Hayi, ungasibhali sami.
oh aye
Ngiyakhala.
okay yeah bengikuphi yeah ababasha ngama-tickets instead ukuthi babancede babagayi protection
Hawu man.
bathola impendulo ukuthi kuyenzakaleni angithi bafuna ii-answers phela bathukiwe ukuthi abantwana umntwana wesikolo kanjalo nje
Awusho.
ya ngithini
Wavele nje bafika labantwana awuzi lamaphoyisa bakhipha ama-tear gas bashala abantwana nje kanjalo. Or kube ne-some action bebatrayile kuba ne-conversation nabo banga-understand batry kungena e-PlayStation and then kwacala kwaba nale chaos or amaphoyisa awafunanga kuba ne-conversation nalabantwana next avele bacala bathrow ama-tear gas nama-rubber bullet.
kuleyo information engakutshela manga but
Awuna video.
no I don't have
Usibone phela lento le ngoba kuthembisa online ne-video kunini kulento abantwana baloko bagijima bathembisa abaposta athi bani careful abazali wena wesithele iPlay Store
abafikanga lapho kuma-tear gas
oh wena wesithele iPlay Store
kanti must ukuthi izinto zasithembisa zithole kuthembisa online awu
no mina ngiyawuza
yeah so ngine-habit okukhohlwa guys kunje bathini le disease le yini
hemophilia
yona leyo disease
hemophilia le igazi man kunjini le Alzheimer ngitshela ngathi ngidoctor ne-Alzheimer
utho udoctor ukubhebhana ngicela ningibhalele
ngithe ngiyabelethisa mina ubalo bhebhalana
yini
ukubelethisa
no disease
Alzheimer
cela ningiconfirmeleni
angithembi mina
no angithi just to confirm angithi umtshela yokuqala ngithembe yipi aye
le yaqala hemophilia le ukuthi mawungasikhathi igazi lakho liphume lengastop une hemophilia kanjalo lengastop
ama-doctor afunde 7 years
amakhula laba bafunde 7 years abalindisa 1 hour la baphuza
1 hour sathi 1 hour 12 hours
thina ngenkathi zethu abantu bangahlali 3 minutes ucedile ngepatient uyahamba yikiwo ngihlabile ivuno
uyabuza uhlaba nebuno uyabhebhana guys mawufuna ukudoctor ukubhebhana
ya ngiyabhebhana mina hey uyibonile le gwam sicedile me aba if
no baba le story lesifethu like le tear gas le ayiphelelanga kuma tear gas nje kuphela there is another student's life has oshonile lapha ya
ngincela amaphoyisa
yes through lesa strike lesiya
amaphoyisa aserabasotho wonke phela kusithembisa mababoshwe wonke lamaphoyisa belasho ukuthi ubani odubule lo mntwana lo oshonile ubani ophosele tear gas lamaphoyisa wonke amaphoyisa abaphosa ama-tear gas kumele baboshwe kanye nalomuntu lo obacommente ukuthi fire 5 4 3 2 fire ungathi fire kubantwana besikolo ama-tear gas abantwana besikolo bayaphefumula njani ngama-tear gas abantwana ukuthi uyakwazi kuba robha ingcondo ukhulume nabo kahle batshela ukuthi abantwana bami sayenza ama-investigation sizothi after maybe 5 days or 10 days sizobuya kini simtshele ukuthi sithole into ekanje nekanje
mind you lawo ma-investigation lawo bawenza after lo mntwana loya ashonile
kanti bokumele bayenze before ashone
lo muntu engisho lo wakustrike yes if labantwana laba bayenzanga
strike banga-investigation vele
next
lo mntwana lo banomthola estradini nationally
yes
mara bana akekho umuntu osemphakathini obonile ukuthi kwenzakaleni next siphila komunye umhlaba these days madoda hawa
fethu
wenza grade bani
9
ntombazana
hey Yeah.
May his soul rest in peace, Shem.
Eish.
Yep,
Balale ngoxolo bo.
Way
Balale
too. Go to way too.
ngokuthula. Eish.
Abantwana
Rest in
continue
peace, fly
strike until they get justice.
But
Kumele bangastrike babodwa manje bastrike nabazali bayenzele for lo mntwana lo ushonile bambulele ngama-tear gas. Udubula kanjani abantwana ngama-tear gas nikuhluleka ukudubula abantu abadala ngama-tear gas ukuze nidubula abantwana.
hey,
Mabachise la e-police station. Ngiyamtshela mina.
usakhuluma ngabazali abastrikeayo. Ababonile labo base-Rubber Ridge.
Nasere rich bastrike futhi. For yini manje?
Bathi konje bathini lesikolo lesi man.
Allen Ridge.
Primary. Bathini? Ngiyasikhohlwa igama lakhona.
Waphutha. Kanti Allen Ridge primary or secondary?
Ay secondary Allen Ridge.
Ayina primary phakathi.
Hayi.
Kisibuzo.
Angithi Allen Ridge ngapha.
Eh.
Yabona emva kwayo i-primary lengikhuluma ngayo.
Yilena le. Angithi le Allen Ridge. Le Billion Ridge.
Ngicela ukuthola igama lakho. Please. Wena uzongikhulumisa
Kodwa
amaphutha.
kwenzakalani?
Abantwana besikole abazali bastrikeile because isikolo is i-condition yesikolo
Ayikho right.
yes kumoshakele
E-primary.
so kudala bahambisa i-request ku-government ukuthi ilungise still abalungisa bayenze next
Bachekile
So,
before uthi vele i-government ayizange vele isente imali yokusiyo kulungisa.
bacheka kanjani kuphi
Ku-principal angithi imali yokulungisa zingenela ku-principal.
angazi lapho but
Kumele bathathola ukuthi kudala i-government isenda kunakuthi ayi mara ngoba these days imali ziyadliwa. Thola ukuthi ayisendwanga. You never know. Thola ukuthi isendiwe u-principal odliwe. You never know.
udliwe
Udlile adliwe.
ay ukudliwa yikule podcast yayo awa
Abantu bayastrike these days. Thina sistrike ni. Sistrike asinangela. Asinama street light.
yayi talisi September
Dalisi September. Manje uzocabanga kanjani uzokhumbula kanjani nale gama lethu. Ukukhokha into manje ukuthola ithabo umthola shona estradini. Dalisi
yeah the exodus is September where parents are striking
manje bona bashaya ngama-tear gas.
no bavala indlela
Webo. Bayekela ukushaya abantu abadala ngama-tear gas.
no yazi hey kodwa hey ya baye kukushala abantwana nama-tickets party nabantwana besikolo angithi ba wrong sengiyasho ukuthi i-different kanjani ngifuna ukukhomba i-difference yabo abantwana besikolo bayilandishisa e-police station yangithola so laba bano strike khona lapha
laba konje bayavele bavala indlela.
but now lekusemva kwe-police station lapha why amapholisa anga
Ungoye wena. Phela amaphoyisa amagwala abantu namele sandase ukuthi amaphoyisa abafana nathi. Abantu
labaya basaba abantwana besikolo laba abantwana labaya
Bathi
lamaphoyisa
angithi nabo kuze angithi kuze bashaya ama-tear gas bayiprotect ukuthi bangafi. Alijike. Ngoba sazi ukuthi kuze
akusijoke lena guys akusijoke asijoke yeah
kunegwamo la.
ithi
Eminye umntwana we-2000 abongeze nophakela base-stage wena akala lapha.
may guys they are solution ukuthi rest in peace and they please they must find justice for
Zulus are fighting now we continue to fight.
Yes.
Oh.
And then nabo
That's asichiseme police station.
Yes. And then alaphaya baba bazama ukuthola i-conclusion so that abantwana besikolo bazobuyela esikolweni nabo ngale please guys ba find a conclusion so that it's June manje is exam time yabona seba distractile vele mental abantwana so mayenzeke fast nje ukuthi sithandazeni nathi ukuthi babhale kahle le trauma le ngaba affected through ama exam wabo izinto zikanjalo baphasa abantwana benu naba
Sivaleceta mfethu asisize ke sikhathi la.
Uthumana phela umdubula iplayo njalo.
Landami ngingasabi mina ngizolikhuluma iqiniso nangisho ukuthi ngizela ngisalwe nani mina ngizolikhuluma iqiniso kunomfana olana ogqoke ijezi eli-black angazi ukuthi black and white noma black and navy blue nangisho ukuthi ngithini kodwa ula uthe unesifiso sokudubuza ungizwe nangisho ukuthi ngithini akayenze leyo nto siyibone ukuphi njengamanje akekho la kodwa ngiyathembisa ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi unapha e-VIP ngoba ithikithi lakhona ulithengile nangisho ukuthi ngithini anginasabi kusebhani nami
Bengithi mina nje ngalimithi. Kodwa-ke lokhu akubikayo ukubika kahle ngendlela kubika ngayo kubalulekile ukuthi akubike. Ngoba vele sekuyi-threat kodwa sisabi ngoba ingisho ngapha kumashema.
Yeah.
sondela ngithatha ubuso bakhe ngitshela ngathi mina ngizokhuluma iqiniso ngitshela ngathi ngizokhuluma iqiniso wena ngitshela ngathi ngizokhuluma iqiniso
Amaphoyisa be-involve Fanda.
Yeah. So do
I do what? Ufuna ukuthi ukhulumisa amanga I do what?
no the way ngakhona le ndaba le like lo mjitsa lo uzirelaxele lo bakhuluma
Ngathi ufuna
ngaye
ukudubulongisa.
uzirelaxele uzimangalele like bazirelaxele bonke lapha ya le ntombazana basetshwaleni
Angithi sothi bewahostile naboli wabongeza for sure bokuama MC. So uyakhumbula lezinto leya besikhuluma last ngazi ukuthi which episode. Intombazana ijiva edede ngathi yenza content. Ngathi ama 2000 imela afunding indlela yokwenza content. Kusasa kwakhona le ntombazana masesemshumele naye uthi bekayenza content.
Muphi
Yena lo. Naye uthi bekayenza content. And only to find out ukuthi le awuthi le umuntu obekajola naye uthi bekamlaya.
Usisi nami ivideo ngiyibone ngakusasa. Sekwenzeke yonke into lapha eBow Stage ngihambe mina vele sengishaya la. Ngingazi ukuthi ngishayela. Ukuthola kwami ukuthi kunecaleni kanje ngibone ivideo ekseni ngisendela umuntu okuphi osegoli ukuthi hayibo wena usuyinkabi usufuna ukudubula ungizwe. Okay, iqala la usisi mina ngiyamazi. Usisi siyazwana uPamela Masango. Ngale kumazi nini ngonyaka ondlule. Ukimazini kwami.
Manje siyasana niyathandana noma umazi justice.
Ngasho kanje siyathandana. Ngoba umuntu besikhuluma vele ukuthi ngize naye futhi lapho kulo mcimbi wangomgqibelo. Ngande ekhaya kubo ngeza naye emcimbini. Exabanini kwami naye bengime nentombazane ngasethendeni. Mangibe nentombazane sithi ufike uzongibuza ukuthi ubani lo. Ngiyamchazela ukuthi okay umuntu esikhuluma naye sikhuluma ngeevent. Shuthi lo sisi loyo abona ukuthi ngathi imoya yaphakama. Aqale lapho angithuke bese athi ngizombona ukuthi umuntu onjani. Athini kimi uPamela athi into engizoyenza mina ushuthi uqale ngamagama ukuthi ngizombona ukuthi umuntu onjani. Emva lokho athi kunomuntu angazi gama ngalibiza yini. Artist ikhona artist usho ngathi bekuyi-ex yakhe.
Ya noma ngalibiza ngigama le artist kodwa nje.
Ya khona artist bekathi ex yakhe so ikhona ithi izohamba naye. So ngaba nojabula ngaphakathi uthi okay ayisho ukuthi 1 - 1 problem uzohamba nomuntu. -1 problem. from lapho iqale lapho lo uphushana angibambe shuthi angiphushele ngasemaphoyiseni amaphoyisa yikho la mangithi evidweni amaphoyisa ilamlile lento ini uqale lapho amaphoyisa ilamula kwaba into engathi yathula
Koza lapho soze kube ne copyright washo one
hayi so mina ngiyibonisa suka lento lo ukuthi hayi cha uyazihlanyela lo nje ufuna attention ngento engekho yabona so like guys
nabantu abafuna ukuthanda ngendlela ezirong mina ngazi
yo
bese kusasa maze umshibele ufuna thina simzele ubuhlungu because ziyakhala manje nenye clip yakhe lana
ithini iyo
khuluma yena
nakho phela
ukuthi akusilo nje iqiniso ngizokhuluma nje iqiniso elimsulwa ngizogonyuluka ngikhiphe nje yonke into ngikhulume nje iqiniso the way lingakhona and futhi ngiyakhuluma futhi ngiqeda ukufonela ubhuti lo opostayo and stuff ukuthi ngicela ukuthi adilize ngiyenza konke okusemandleni kwami njengamanje ngiyaxolisa kakhulu ngakho konke ngiyayisola futhi I would do anything ngawuthatha nokuthatha umphefumulo wami ukuze ubone indlela engixolisa ngayo mama ngayenza leyo nto ngawuthatha umphefumulo wami ngiyacela manje ngiyaxolisa kakhulu ngiyazisola kakhulu futhi and yazi ngingenza noma yini ngingenza noma yabona nje ngizomake sure futhi ukuthi lento iyalunga ngizomake sure ukuthi namhlanje silala yonke into ilungile I swear kuleko kuzoyilungisa yonke lento le ngizoyilungisa yonke ngizoyilungisa khona namhlanje umntanami Nkosi yami ngizokwenza njani umntanami
ukhoze usikanye manje sithina
before we go any further umntana wakhe ungenaphi kuyo
sho ukuthi unomntwana uyacabanga ukuthi if uyejele or something happened to her umntwana wakhe what's gonna happen I think so
vele something must happen to her vele not ukuthi angicabangeni umntana
like manje ngisafuna ukubuza ukuthi makathi manje I can even take my breath sho ukuthi manje simfilele isimpathe ukuthi manje usekafuna ukusibulala like kumele simfilele sorry na
angimsoli indlela okucolisa kodwa nathi yabona nami ngifunda something la kuyo ukuthi sometimes ububala amagama wakho mawukhuluma uthi I can take my breath ngiyasho as a person in general ngithiwa you must ukomela ukhawunta amagama wakho mawukhuluma
usakhomba phone
no iyangithola so like uthi I can take my breath ane makaceda yo umntana
exact
so when you take your breath
awusamcabanga lo mntana lo
umcabanga mawuya challenge kuphela
yabo ukuthi umanipulate thina ukuthi simfilele ukuthi umntana abantu
indlela yokucolisa but ngidawusa ngithi nami sengifundile ukuthi nawe funda ukuthi funda ukubeka amagama wakho nendlela yoku-apologize straight not amanga ngoba le yakhoma ukuthi ayisuke enhlizweni isuka ukuthi nxa ethi ngi-apologize isuke ebantwini lento yangithola ngoba ihamba ne-spicy phakathi yangithola so if ibeka apologize bewamela ayikhiphe enhlizweni
asho amagama important ukuthi since futhi nibona lama crisis okwenzakalana ukuthi ungizo is fighting with a lot of people manje phela lento le beyingafita because afungizwa ngithi manje is moving with much and much group kunabantu abamtraditional ngokumbulala kunenye video angazi ukuthi angayisivanga ayikuthi angisivanga ngisayithola bekakhuluma athi kunomunye umuntu ofikile ezen i-journalist afika lapha kuma-channel manje ayenza ngathi ufuna ukushuta angena nabo emotweni kanti bayabona ukuthi hale impimpi le ufuna kuyinkabi kahle bathi ukuthi ufuna uzobabulala bambamba bamdonola strong aze akhipha iqiniso so vele bezofita naye la lengi ukuthi phela nango lo muntu shothi kulande ku-event bamthumela ukuthi akubulala.
Sure. Shuthi ngimuza ubafo achaza laphaya athi ushayiwe bayajola ne. Shuthi mabacabana laphaya ubone i-opportunity nathi nayi advantage
Opportunity.
yes ithi ngithathe ngenze ngoba that's why mangokubuza eqaleni ngithi uphuzile na uyenze yonke lento leya angacabangi ukutshwa
yena bekacabanga i-revenge.
yes
noma ungasutshwala
acabanga umhetha no bekacabanga umhetha nje kuphela yabona kanti uyabona the way ayenze ngakhona kufaka
impilo yakhe engcupheni
yakhe yalomjita yalomntana yabo Bhinqa Nation yabo Ngizwe. Why? Ngoba if lo mjita loya bandile inhliziyo lezi zincane or ezinjanjani afuna ukuzikhiphela ebuyisele revenge kuba bolentuzana abongizwe bebazolwela into engekho istory esingekho
babulalane ngento engekho
uyangithola
isifebe ukuthi sona sifuna ukwetha umjita
nje yabona so lento le ifaka impilo zabantu bonke engcupheni uyenza angacabangi ukuhlalela ingcondo ayenza
amile pho awathoka ngwana bathi
no angimthuki
yeah
into ngino describe ukuthi injani le ndaba
kunenye video futhi ubongizwe bathi bathole umuntu bekudala bamfuna eMalawi. I wish Malema can hear this because bathi where are the result bathole omunye umuntu bekudala bamfuna eMalawi bathi serial killer lo muntu eMalawi so bekabalakele ngapha so ukuthi abongizwe ngemanje manje bamthola bamdeport ipresident yaseMalawi zathi iMalawi zathi thank you guys because of dala ngimfuna lo muntu lo ungazi ukuthi ukuphi ngaba ngasini ngaba ngimthola imagine thina sikhele nama serial killer.
Yes uyabona mabanga the way basebenza ngakhona le unity the way ngakhona mabangachubeka kanjalo basebenzisana nalama country lawa bangabathola bonke
lama president lawo kufana neNigeria mayekile ukuthi yona stop killing stop this thing with chasing our brothers what mabayenze kufana lamanye ama country nabathi balitheni labantu abethu phela wabo labantu labavela i-state wona kuze bangabafuni bayazi ukuthi mabaya ngalevel bayolola ama rights wabo bayidisturb le corruption abayenzayo kula country lo yangithola that's why bathi bona bangcono babahleli ngapha because bona yonke imali iza kubo le government le yangada
easy yabona mabangasebenzisana nje
and only not ama outside president nathi la eMzansi guys we must work together amapedi amatswana amatsonga amasotho whatever tribe that is in South Africa you must fight for your own country guys this is our children's future le amazulu alolayo makungabi impi yamazulu kuphela masilweni sonke guys ezinami ngikhiphe AI music AI album AI music album bafethu years are coming soon is called the Defending of Mzansi bafethu it's all based on march and this criteria that is happening around South Africa for moving people to their home so that album is based on that icula ngabongizwe ngabo Phakela Umthakathi ngabo Jesinca even uX naye ngimcludile so ingasukudala ngizonitshela ukuthi ni stream kuphi bafethu for sure will be streaming it on YouTube and bathini Spotify what you want.
Yes, all the platforms of music you'll get it all the platforms all the socials
because fighting is not all about going there ngestriker as ungizwa shilo ku podcast yakhe ukuthi fighting ngengoma fighting ama poetry fighting ngestory ngeni is part of fighting ukubonisa igovernment ukuthi sifunani you understand so now we fighting ngengoma fighting ama poetry ngani you are part of that march and march you understand
true
what you want
true that yabona mama ngaba ne-unity nje leli lizwe lokhokho bethu
lelizwe lokhokho bethu lelizwe lokhokho bethu
Abayithola kanjalo
wena
vele.
mina funa wena 12,000.
Bayithola kanjalo vele.
Shout out to
Marikana.
Marikana bafethu man funa ukuyibona ithole ku YouTube ayikho Marikana.
Shout out to Obrisi Kabi.
Obrisikabo ko
The director of that.
And lento le mnandi bafethu.
Yeah,
Qala ukubona stage plays South Africa samnandi.
Musical theatre.
Mfana. It's based on what happened to Marikana. If you want to see what happened to Marikana, because now there are some points I get there. Ukuthi these people tried to negotiate with police many times, but because of the corruption that was happening in the mine, they didn't want to negotiate. Instead, they just niyazi ukuthi bokuba not to fire.
Hey, leli lizwe lokokobe sizabalaza, leli lizwe labantu abadala sizabalaza, leli lizwe lokokobe sizabalaza, leli lizwe labantu abadala sizabalaza, leli lizwe baba, leli lizwe bawo, leli lizwe baba. Sizabalaza bengithi sizabalaza isho kanjalo no
Khathi mina ngizangithi wena mina mangikhuluma uyabalabala ngiyathula uyabalabala
le look yakho le isho something God yazibamba uya isho something
Shaya ukugcina Korojahi yeshubile ethembisa ngazi bayenzani
topic oh you can you
ithi isimo sishubile ethembisa njengoba sekushaye umqamulequ ukuthi kuvalwe thaqa zonke izitolo zabokufika kuleyo ndawo. Wabona uThembisa icalile ihoya thina siyadlala la.
Ngokudayiselwa ukudla sekudlulelwe isikhathi kanye nokuthi abantu abakuleli ngokungemthetho babavimbela amathuba omsebenzi.
Ubone kanjani bonani? Pheka bonani. Look bonini bonani. Nisijwayela kabi nina.
Abayingxenye le mashi bebesaphaza kwasana amatafeni abathengisa emgaqweni bebeza ukubonakala ukuthi
Kinga nje silwa into eyodwa asisafuni. Inkankana ayidlo nje umsudu wangakubo. Asisafuni umuntu. Sasale soja sihlupheke sodwa eGoli, sihlupheke sodwa eSouth Africa yethu abahambe babuyele emazweni akubo, bayakwenza lokwenza la anti nasemazweni akubo kunabantu.
Ukuthunjwa kwamazwi kubheka waseFort Lawrence nakho kube nomthelelo ekuthini umphakathi umashe.
Indaba kamazwi nayo isizile futhi. Ngoba nakho umuntu omnyama uvula ibhizinisi akufuna uvula ibhizinisi eSouth Africa yini. Naku isizile ngoba naku umazwi ubuyile. Kube beka strike kwanga umazwi bekazobuya nini. Kusho umazwi bengeke abuye phela. Ngoba phela igama lithi ubani wena uyini wena emphakathini kube bese bengastrike kwanga kube siyange Fort Lawrence kube umazwi namanje kube simazi kuthi ubuphi.
They are selling expiring food for our children. Our children are dying every day. Today and every day their children are dying because of their food. So they must go. We don't need you anymore.
Ucimelani
babana yabona hayi vale into le hayi yanyanyisa lento le
uyanyisa yini
no iyazwa ngithi yanyanyisa ayinyanyisi iyazi mina yini into enginyanyisayo personal ukuthi they chase abantu angithi bafuna ukucosha wonke umuntu include amaphoyisa amaPakistan
hey
amakula mabavale neziputolo zabo
into bengisayisho
wayebavalisa itrade nje kuphela
kuthi kanti masithi mabahambe why kanti
wayebaba-choose
sishiya amalena amakula always basithi abahambe bagijimisa amazimba bagijimisa amabathina abantu beMozambique bagijimisa abantu beNigeria mara amakula bewashiya why
no and mawungacheka mabakhulu yazi why ngithi ngcwe bathi labantu labathengisa izinto ezibolile bathi and abantu abasibulalayo yabo bani
amakula Mara nabo lawo mathenga izinto ezibolile esibulala mase.
No bathi lezi zinto yibo like ishi ngazibeka kanjani abantu ipoint yami ithi abantu abakhanda izinto ezibulala abantu amakula ngithola nabo why ba le strike lesi abasenzayo la why ba yes yes
esazini kunakula elithengisa
maningi
maningi mara wamafoni
futhi uyabona ama types ahluka amafoni
manje abafundi bazavalelana sovala konke wena usafuna ukwazi
kanti okay babacoshelani labantu angithi bathi akusabangapha
yeah okay ngiyakunderstand ke manje
yo
anti lesekungeni ukuthi
but wonkumbuze zamafoni ngizicabangela abathengisayo abathengisa nje izinto ezokudliwa so into abayenza yona ukuthi balentuzana bayenza strike izinto ezikanjalo ne party mabangabe choose
makuhamba wonke umuntu
yes mabangabe choose
including nabelungu yeah abo basijayela yakutshela labo yibe kumele bahambe laba futhi
yeah hey guys asivaleni kanjalo guys like maningi ama topic esinawo esingakuthanda ukunisherela but isikhathi kunomunye bathi uAnt ubulale umshana wakhe le eDavidton but isivala kanjalo guys ukuthi
asakhuluma ngayo next nale yamaphoyisa ukuthi umfazi ushaya amaphoyisa eLimpopo akhuluma ngayo next week
yeah so guys thank you for watching we love you guys and as ayashila ukuthi uzwa negwam uza nemungwanati
yeah ngizakunemungwanati
nehwane
bafethu ngizane AI music piano music bafethu based on marching based on ngizo based on uphakela umthakathi based on uJacindi bafethu just to thank them to show them that they got our support. They are not alone, they are not fighting alone, we also fighting with our songs. So you while you are sitting there, artist, poetry, anything, do something now. Join the fight, write something.
Yes. Ayi sekajishelo ayisivala kanjalo sithi asibonge.
Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like and share bafethu. We'll see you next week, same time, same place bafethu. Asithi we pura la kukude la.
I feel like the nation is getting tired, or should I say, Zulus are tired. The whole nation just sat down and let the Zulus fight the world alone. Why? Why do we all sit down and watch our country been stolen by foreign people? After that we call Zulu people xenophobic for fighting for their country. We are actually the informers by just staying at home. Stand up, South Africans. It's time to bring back what is us to us.